Hello everyone, my name is Hatham and I am a motorcycle vlogger from Hadhramaut in Yemen. And this is my first video in English. I hope you guys like it. The golden sun watches as our bikes glide through Mukalla's vibrant streets. The sparkling waters of Khor Al-Mukalla keep passing beside us. Time is tight as we race 184 kilometers toward Al-Reeda, where fellow adventurers from Oman await amidst Hadhramaut's breathtaking scenery. Here, rugged peaks stand guard over coastal villages, and ancient towns whisper stories of generations past. Every turn promises new wonders. This journey is about more than just the destination. Our first challenge came near Sheer when Nizar's bike had engine problems. A quick roadside fix with new spark plugs got us moving again, only for my poorly secured luggage to demand another stop. Then came Al-Hami's magic, a slender road where ocean spray mists the pavement, just steps from weathered stone buildings. But Hadhramaut had more lessons in store. Near Addis, Nizar's engine fell silent once more. That's when local heroes appeared, rushing to fetch parts while we waited beneath the shade of palm trees. Then, when all seemed lost, the engine's sudden roar felt like a gift from the journey itself. The road to Al-Reeda proved worth every struggle. Winding ribbon of pavement offering heart-stopping views where mountain slopes meet the sea. We urged our modest bikes onward, chasing the fading light until at last we spotted our Omani friends, their smiles visible even in the dusk. Together we rode to Bidah Fort, where the warmest welcome awaited. Villagers threw open the heavy wooden gates, prepared cozy guest rooms with hand-woven carpets, and even drew baths for weary travelers. In the torchlit diwan, elders shared stories over steaming cups of chai. This was Hadhrami hospitality at its finest. And this was only the beginning. Beyond lies over 1,000 kilometers of unforgettable riding, from hidden coastal gems to historic mountain passes. To fellow riders watching, these roads call to you. The people of Hadhramaut are waiting to welcome you as they welcomed us.